Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the big changes that I'm gonna be seeing and you guys also be seeing, and it can help you more guys to make more money online. So I'm gonna tell you those big changes that will going to happen soon and that will really going to help you to make more money. Good part, consider clicking the like button, and also if you want more videos like that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And recently guys, I have launched a new platform. You already know about it. That's the globocreative.com, which contains the free graphics, the free KDP interiors, the free patterns, which contains a full commercial license. You can download them completely for free and can use it for making more money online. And make sure to check this platform each month to get new freebies each month. So the link of this website description box below, and also it's a globocreative.com. Now let's talk about the main part for which you would be thinking, what are the big changes that are coming soon? Well guys, I'm not gonna keep it in a shadow. I'm just gonna talk about that. It's about starting with the new channels. Now before you just click out of the video guys, I'm gonna tell you that I have uploaded 2 videos on this channel talking about the NFTs and the crypto, and in that video I've been getting a few of the comments and few of the feedbacks, like some of the people are more interested in knowing about the print on demand and some other people are interested in the crypto and the NFTs. And on this channel guys, I mostly post about the print on demand, the Redbubble, the Teepublic, Jazzle, the Creative Fabrica, the KDP, and also selling digital products online, especially on the Etsy, and making money online. That's the main focus on this channel, and I talk about that as being a print on demand seller, as an artist, as a creative person. And people are more interested on that video, on such type of videos on my channel. And so far we have reached to 800 subscribers, 800 plus subscribers on this channel, and I'm extremely grateful for that guys. Although there was a slow growth, like I wasn't seeing that much of the growth, but I'm really grateful to you guys, and I'm so thank you for that. Each of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and who is watching my videos, I'm really grateful for that. And also you are leaving a beautiful comments, your feedback, your reviews about your own thoughts in the comment section below, and I read them all, and I'm really grateful for that. So we have reached to 800 plus subscribers, and soon we will going to reach to 1000 subscribers, and for that I'm really grateful for guys. So I thought that since on this channel mostly I'm getting feedback and review, people talking about the KDP, Creative Fabrica, print on demand, and selling digital products, like they are really want to know more about these particular thing. And for the crypto and NFT, only few people are interested. So I thought of making a separate channel so that people who are interested in that, they can subscribe to that channel and they can watch that video, and those people who are not interested in crypto and NFT, then they can remain subscribed to this channel, because I'm gonna make more content for print on demand, Creative Fabric, and KDP on this channel. So remain subscribed to this channel. And if you are interested in crypto, NFT, and much more about the finance, then I'm starting with a new channel. Now that new channel is Easy Finance. Now on the channel, I'm going to talk about how to save money, how to invest the money, how to spend the money. Talking about the finance as being a newbie, as being a beginner, because guys, you know that I'm not a tax expert or I'm not a money guru. I'm not an expert in this area. So I'm going to talk only based on my knowledge and experience so far. And you already know that I started with my own online business back in March of 2020. So I started with the finance recently, only like few months back. So I'm going to share and talk based on that experience. So we are going to be covering how to save the money to make more money, how to spend the money effectively so that you don't waste your money because it's so precious, and spend it effectively so that you can reinvest and can save and can be rich and can have or some sort of have financial freedom. And also talking about how to invest your monies in the stocks, cryptos, and NFTs, because I recently started with the crypto. So I'm gonna be talking based on my own experience and knowledge. So make sure to subscribe to that new channel. The link is in description box below. That is the Easy Finance. And if you guys are interested in making more money by saving money, by investing money, then make sure to subscribe to that channel, because I'm gonna uploading new video each week guys, and I'm going to talk about based on my experience and knowledge and all that. I'm going to share how I save money and talking about the spreadsheet, how I maintain that, and various things regarding it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. That is the Easy Finance. The link is in description box below. Okay guys, So that is about the financing. Now the second thing that I came across on this channel, that I started with talking about the designing, like how to make your own print-on-demand design in the Photoshop, in the Creative Canva, in the Trello, and talking about the different ideas and different things. Now I found that some people are interested in designing. Some people want to know how to design or how to make the designs or how to make these things to sell the print-on-demand products, to sell it on the Redbubble, how to make the designs and all. Some people are interested in knowing, but some people are not interested in knowing. Some people only want to know about the new platforms where they can sell, tips and tricks, new strategies, trends and all. So there was kind of like a two kind of audiences. So I thought that why not make a new channel talking about designing stuff, how to design, like making designing easy for you guys. And also guys, I am not an expert. I am completely self-learner, completely self-taught as an artist, as a designer. I'm a self-taught person, so I'm going to share based on that experience and knowledge. So make sure to check it out, my another channel, that is the Easy Tech. That will going to main focus on the designing and editing software which you can use it, and I'm going to introduce you to the new software, how to use them, how to make your print-on-demand designs easy and effectively, breaking down the complex software like Photoshop into easy step-by procedure so that you can follow across and you can make your own designs by yourself and can make more money as a print-on-demand seller. So make sure you check out that channel as well. I'm going to leave all the links that the Easy Finance and this Easy Tech channel description box below. You can subscribe to that channel based on your own personal needs. Like if you want to learn how to design your print-on-demand designs or learn how to make the SVG crafts or how to make more money, then consider subscribing to that channel, that is the Easy Tech. And if you want to know how to save money, how to invest the money, how to all that making more money, then consider subscribing to the Easy Finance channel. Okay, so these two channels I'm gonna start soon guys, and you're gonna see each videos every week on those channels. So consider subscribing, the link is in the description box below. And on this channel I'm gonna mainly talking about the print on demand, the KDP and Creative Fabrica, and a little bit about the digital magazine, the digital products, because I see that people are interested in knowing how to get started with the digital magazine, how to sell the digital products onto the Etsy or on their website in general, because my main business is the digital product based business. Currently my all businesses mainly are digital product, except the few of them are physical, but mainly I have the digital product based business. So I'm going to cover only these few topics on this channel. I'm not going to make NFT or cryptos video on this channel. And if you want to know more about the NFT and crypto and my strategy or my thinking regarding that investing, then make sure you subscribe to Easy Finance channel. And also guys, I'm not going to make a designing videos on this channel talking about how to make designs onto the Photoshop or into the Canva, because I see that the audience are kind of like they want to know more about the tips and tricks strategies regarding the print on demand to make more money with that, and so they are not that much interested in designing. So all those of you guys who are interested in designing or making your own print on demand designs and all that, then consider subscribing to my Easy Tech channel. I'm gonna leave the link is in description box below. So guys, these two big changes are coming soon, and I hope, I'm really interested in that, because I'm going to share everything regarding my base and knowledge so far. And in fact, I'm going to document my journey as well, because you guys already know when I get started with my own online businesses, and also I am newbie to finance, like I started a few months back only. So I'm going to document my journey based on what I have learned so far, how I'm managing it, what does my spreadsheet look like, and also a little bit about the designing on the next channel that is on which I'm going to share how to use Photoshop, how to use the Inkspace, and how to use the complicated software so easily for making your designs, for making your stuffs online. So that's the two big changes guys. I hope that you find it useful, and enjoyable. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're interested in any of these two channels or not, and what is your feedback and review. I would really love to hear from you, because I thought of helping you more guys, and since I see that on this channel people are more interested in print on demand, KDP and Creative Fabrica, so I'm going to talk more about that only. And for the designing or for the finance or crypto and all, I have already made two new channels for that, so you can subscribe to them if you're interested in that. I would really appreciate that if you subscribe to those channels as well guys, because I know I really appreciate your support on this channel as well, although it's a slow growth, but that's okay. Nothing happened overnight. And we have already reached 800 plus subscribers, so soon we will going to reach 2000 subscribers. And guys, one thing I'm gonna introduce you, when we will going to reach to the 1000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a big surprise for you. So please guys, help me to reach 1000 subscribers soon, fast, so that I can introduce you to that new surprise, because I will be giving you something in return of this support of yours on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I'm going to talk about some new surprises that will going to come on this channel when I'm going to reach 2000 subs. So make sure to subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much for supporting and subscribing to it and watching my videos. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.